Hello student. So now we will discuss about Kruskal's algorithms for minimum spanning tree. So Kruskal's algorithm is what? It builds the spanning tree, minimum spanning tree by adding edges one by one into a growing spanning tree. So this is very easy approach to find out the minimum spanning tree. What is minimum spanning tree and what is the importance of the minimum spanning tree? We can learn in our previous video. So now Kruskal's algorithm follows the greedy approach. As in each iteration, it finds an edge which has the least weight and add it to the growing spanning tree. So first of all, we have to arrange all the edges in ascending order, and then one by one we select the edges and connect them. This is very simple approach for the Kruskal's algorithm. So first is what? You sort the graph edges with respect to their weights. Start adding edges to the minimum spanning tree from the edge with the smallest weight until the edge of the largest weight. And remember, there is a condition for the spanning tree, no cycle. So only add edges which does not form a cycle. So if suppose there is a edge which contain the cycle, so you forget or discard and move to the another level. So let me explain by the example. Suppose this is a graph and our objective is to find out the minimum spanning tree. Okay. So first of all we have to arrange all the edges in ascending order. Or suppose we find out which is the smallest edge. So one is the smallest edge. We can easy to recognize that. So we connect these two nodes by this edge. Okay. In next step, the next largest is what? 2. So 2 is the connection. So first we connect this one and then 2. Okay. So So initially we consider all the nodes with there is no edges. Okay. So this is light color is there. So we can connect one by one in each iterations. Okay. Now in third iterations the 1, 2 and then 3 is there. So we connect this one 3. Okay. Now next number is what? 4. But remember, if you connect the 4, then there is a cycle. So 4 is the smallest among all the remaining edges, but by connecting 4, this violates the condition of the spanning tree. So we move to the 5. Okay, not the 4. Number is 4, but we forget. So now we skip this 4 and move to the 5. And then the same condition for 6 also, because 6 is also create the cycle. So when 7 is also create the cycle. So this is just we all nodes are connected. So how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And how many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our algorithm stops, and this is the our final solutions. This is the spanning tree, and how to calculate the cost by adding weights of the edges. So 1 plus 5 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11. So this is very easy algorithms for finding minimum spanning tree. So by explanation you can check in Kruskal's algorithms at each iteration we will select the edge with the lowest weight. So we will start with the lowest weight edge, that is what? 1. So in previous example we start with 1. Then after that we will select the second lowest, that is 2. Then we select by third. But this is important. We are not allowed to pick the age with weight 4 in previous example because that will create a cycle and we can't have any cycle. So we will select the fifth lowest weight age, that is 5. So now the adding this one we get the 11. Okay. So thank you.